Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel for coffee. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-resistant spatula. Having everything ready before you start will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in the saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the mixture to boil undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, so keep a close eye on it. Once your sugar reaches that perfect amber, carefully and slowly pour in 1/2 cup of warm heavy cream. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up intensely. Whisk continuously and vigorously until the caramel becomes smooth and uniform. Remove the saucepan from the heat, then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Your homemade caramel is almost ready. Allow your caramel to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It will thicken as it cools and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. This rich, homemade caramel is perfect for drizzling over your morning coffee, lattes, or even ice cream and other desserts. It adds a wonderful touch to any treat. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.